Today's story is My Pet Belle, Part 1. In our story, we'll see a lot of CVC words. Let's review what we know about CVC words. These are words with 3 letters, a consonant, a vowel in the middle, and then a consonant. The vowels in the middle will use the short vowel sound. Let's practice them now. Say them with me. A says A like apple. E says like egg. I says I like iguana. O says like octopus. And U says like umbrella. We also know we need to use our B and D strategies when we get to a B or a D. Look at the strategies and think about the one you like to use. Now let's get ready to read some CVC words we'll see in our story. We can sound these words out, so first we will say the sounds, segment them, and then we'll blend them together. Alright, say the sounds with me and then blend with me out loud. Ready? Here we go. P-e-t, pet. Did you say it out loud with me? Keep going. Here we go. P-ig, pig. P-e-n, pen. M-am, mom. Great work. Keep going. N-ot, not. L-et, let. B-ed, bed. T-en, ten. All right, say the sounds. B-ig, big. K-an, can. N-ap, nap. B-e-l, bell. And we have 2 L's that make the L sound at the end. How did you do at reading the CVC words in the story with me? Now we're going to move on to reading some CVC decodable words that we are going to read fluently. All right. That means we're going to read them accurately or correctly and a little bit quicker. Say the sounds and blend with me. Here we go. Og, hog, k-op, cop, z-ap, zap, m-at, mat, r-ut, rut. Nice job. Keep saying the sounds. Here we go. D-ot, dot, h-ip, hip, j-ug, jug, s-ip, sip, f-ig, fig. All right, one more line. Say them out loud with me. N-ut, nut. P-odd, pod. B-un, bun. F-ib, fib. P-it, pit. Great work. Now that we've worked on our CVC words, we're going to go ahead and look at our sight words from the story. We have several sight words that are going to be in the story. I'll talk you through them and then we'll play a game. All right. Our first sight word in the story is the word have. Have is a heart at the end of the word because the E is silent. It doesn't make any sound. Have and silent E. This is the word have. Say have. Our next word is my. Say my. The Y at the end of the word my makes the I sound. So we have to remember that by heart. The next word is the word will. The 2 L's at the end of will make the U sound, just like in the word bell we saw earlier. Say will. Our next word is likes. Say likes. The word likes has an S at the end, as well as an E. The E is silent, but it makes the I say its name. Likes. I hear the I sound, did you? This is the word the. Say the. The word the is a heart word because it has a th at the beginning, and the E says the. Say said. This is the heart word said. The AI says so we have to remember that by heart. This is the word is. Say is. Is ends with an S, but that S makes the Z sound, just like in the word was, and his, and has. This is the sight word to. Say to. The 2 O's at the end of to make the oo sound. These are all of our sight words. Let's get ready to play a game. Get your highlighter, or crayon, or marker out. We're going to play Beat the Teacher. I'll point to a word, you'll say it, and you'll say it before me. And if you say the word correctly, you get to highlight it. Let's try it. Say the word. This is the word have. If you said have, highlight that word right now with one quick stroke. Say the next word. This is the word my. If you said my, highlight now. You're going to continue playing this game the same way, highlighting if you said the word correctly each time I say the word. Ready? Say the word. Will. Say the word. Likes. Say the word. The. Say the word. Said. Say the word. Is. And say the last word. To. Look and see how many words you have highlighted and write your score below. So count up the number highlighted and write that number here. All right, let's go on to the next column. We're going to play the game the same way, and you're going to see if you can say more words correctly than you did last time. Ready? Say the word. Have. Say the word. My. Say the word. Will. Say the word. Likes. Say the word. The. Say the word. Said. Say the word. Is. And say the last word. To. Great work. Time for our last column. But before you do, count up how many you highlighted correctly and write that number here. Did your score improve from the first time to the second time? Keep working hard so you can learn all your sight words. All right, third column, ready? Say the word. Have. Say the word. My. Say the word. Will. Say the word. Likes. Say the word. The. Say the word. Said. Say the word. Is. And say the last word. To. Count up how many words you have highlighted and write that word number here. Notice if your number increased each time you practice. Great work, friends. Now we're going to go ahead and look at our story. You're going to get to be a sight word detective and look for these words we just practiced in our story. I'll read and you look for the words. On this first page, there's one word that is one of our sight words. Be a detective and look for the word as I read. My pet bell. Which of these sight words did you see? Say it out loud. Did you say my? Great work, friends. On this page, there are 3 sight words. Look for them as I read. I have a pet. My pet is a pig. Say the 3 sight words you found. Did you say have, my, and is? Great work. On this next page, there are 4 sight words. Look for them as I read. My pet is Belle. Belle is 10. I am 10 too. Say the 4 sight words you found. Did you say my, is, and to? Nice work. On this page, there's 1 sight word. I tell Mom. Belle can nap on my bed. Say the sight word you found. Did you say my? Nice work. On this page, there's 4 sight words. Mom will not let Belle be on my bed. Pets do not go on the bed, said Mom. Say the sight words that you found. Did you find will, my, the, and said? All right, last page. There's 4 sight words on this page. See if you can find them. Belle will have a pen. Pets go in a pen. Belle likes the pen. What 4 sight words did you find? Did you say will, have, likes, and the? Awesome work finding sight words. Now we're going to read the story together. As I point, say the words out loud with me. Ready? Here we go. My pet Belle. I have a pet. My pet is a pig. Keep saying all the words with me as I read. My pet is Belle. Belle is 10. I am 10 too. Belle is not a big pet. Can Belle be on my bed? I tell Mom, Belle can nap on my bed. Mom will not let Belle be on my bed. Pets do not go on the bed, said Mom. Belle will have a pen. Pets go in a pen. Belle likes the pen. The pen is like an outside cage that fences in Belle. How did you do at choral reading? Were you able to read most of the words with me? Now we're going to try some duet reading. We'll do a little bit of duet reading. For duet reading, I'll say the words in white, and you'll say the words in yellow, and we'll read every other word. So I would say my, you would say pet, and I would say Belle. Let's try it out. Say the words in yellow. My, Belle. Good job. Continue reading the story, only saying the words in yellow. Ready? Here we go. I, a, my, is, pig. My is Belle, 10. Am, 2. Good work reading all the words in yellow. Belle, not, big, can, be, my. And we're going to stop here. We don't have time to finish the duet reading, but in the second part of My Pet Belle, you'll get to do more duet reading. How did you do today at doing everything you were asked and participating? Did you say all of the words and try your best? Way to go, friends!